let's see if we can have a bit of a race here, okay? And you are in groups of 3. So the 3 of you, I want you to choose your roles. So we have someone who, what's this person doing? Running. All right, that's right. So they're a runner. So who's feeling energetic? It's time for you to run. Not out the class. In the class. How about this person? Writer. Who's going to be the writer? And this one, look at this person. What's he doing? Thinking. And what's he holding in his hands? He's the thinking card holder. All right. So if you want to hold some cards and think, choose that job. Writer, what do you need? Pen. All right, writer, you need a pen. Do you have a pen? Yes. You're a student. You should have a pen. And I have the paper. All right. So writer, who's going to be the writer here? Card holder, thinker person. All right. Who's the card holder? There we go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Now, runner, I'm going to put some of these around the room. So, runner, your job, when I say go, is to stand up and read the cards and try and remember what you read, then come back and tell your writer. Writer, you have to listen to what the runner tells you and write down exactly what they say. Card holder, once the runner gets a couple of sentences, you have to start thinking about which card is going to start each of the sentences. And you have to think very carefully about the meaning of each sentence, yeah? So let's just do the first one together. Now look at your paper. You've got the first sentence, yeah? So runner, your job, you don't need to do the one, it's here. You don't need to read, you can start with number 2. You read that first one, go back, say it to the writer. Writer, listen, write exactly. Now, if it's too long, come back, read it again, keep coming back as much as you want, okay? I want you to do all of them. Doesn't matter which one you do, any order, whatever you want. Okay, so ready, start, go.
Number 2, selection.
Controlled and emphasized apps. Less controlled and emphasized apps. Yes.
In regards to mobile gaming and multimedia access,
Multimedia access.
yes.
Advantage of Android.
Yep. Now it's the advantage of iPhone.
Yeah.
However, Apple surpasses more. It's an add-on.
Yeah, add-on. So it's. I think it's like this.
Likewise, really.
while the applications are
The applications are
while the applications are less control and emphasizes free apps.
We use it already.
What's that?
I think more have I'm not so sure.
Oh. In regards to mobile
Which one do you think might be the last?
gaming and multimedia access, Apple seems to have more advantages.
However,
I think for
right, I think so.
yeah.
Really?
So I think this is an extra, maybe, additional sub point, yeah?
Yep.
So what do we think?
Larger
Does that show additional?
That shows the result.
Good. And then here, so features. So here are some features.
Is that for example?
For example, that's right. Good. All right. Okay. Okay. So this one here, Apple. So this is talking about Android. Is good. Okay, that's right. However, yeah. Okay, and then comparison of the negative images, likewise, and therefore good. Yeah. All right.
You can pull him.
Yeah, likewise. Good. So this is showing a comparison. Yeah. And therefore, well done, winner. All right. All right. So the first one we got is the topic. We got the topic sentence. Yeah. All right. Talking about the similarities and differences between the Apple and Android. Think about what we were just talking about. Yeah. And so the next one we've got selection may depend on specific features. So what do we think?
Moreover.
Moreover, yes. So moreover for that one. Okay, to put that, yeah. Alan, Joyce, Guy, what about for the next one?
For example?
Yeah, good. Okay, so for example here, so hopefully you can see that the example is a specific example of the features, yeah? All right. So do you agree that the Android does have bigger screens? Is that why you chose it? But isn't the Apple getting bigger now?
Yeah.
Longer. All right, how about this one? However. Let's all move on to this one, yeah? Okay. Now, did you all put however, yes? Yeah. All right, so in regards to mobile game multimedia access, Apple seems to have more advantages.
I agree.
You agree? Yeah. Okay, Jonathan, what did you guys put for this one?
Likewise.
Okay, likewise. Yeah, likewise. Okay, so here is showing a comparison of some negatives. Apple surpasses the Android system in its ease of use. Well, that's what you guys told me, yeah? Well, some of you who like Apple. And the last one, all right, to end the paragraph. Therefore, yeah, okay, so this is showing the result of all the previous sentences. Okay, the preference of smartphone is determined by the personal taste and purpose of users, yeah?